in graphic design, where shadows play. We calculate risk to keep chaos at bay. Risk priority numbers, our guiding star, mapping our journey from near and far. Root cause analysis in our sights, we dive deep, unearthing secrets that the false keep. In numbers and data, our truths we find, engineering solutions one of a kind. With every failure, a lessons learned. Through RCA, no stones unturned. Preventive actions strategically placed in our hands, down time's erased. So here's to the guardians of the grind. So here's to the guardians of the grind. Every machine our signature sign, with wisdom drawn from the data's deep well. In the art of maintenance we excel.